Welcome. And from me is a SHARP Aquos S2, and today I will show you how to boot into the safe mode. So to start off, we will need to hold the power key in order to shut off the device. So hold the power key and then select power off. And once more, wait for the device to shut off, and once it has, we will hold power key and volume down. So power key and volume down, hold these two together. Keep on holding. You can let go once you hear the feel the vibration. And as you can see now, at the bottom you have safe mode, meaning the device is indeed in safe mode. And yeah, now if you want to leave this mode, you can just simply hold the power key and select reboot, like so. Power key and then restart, and once more. And once the device turns back on, it will be out of the safe mode. As you can see, now it's gone, meaning the device is out of the safe mode. So that is how you enter and exit the safe mode, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.